Today is the day. My cuticle oil is available for purchase right now. I can't even believe that. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is probably the most exciting video I've ever filmed because today I am announcing the launch of my very own brand. I've been a cuticle oil fanatic since I was in college, and I always said it would be awesome to make my own. In June 2020, as my birthday was creeping up, I feel like this stuff always happens around my birthday. My major life events always take place around my birthday. I think it's because I realize I'm getting another year older and maybe I haven't accomplished as much as I wanted, or I'm in a place in life where I just feel kind of stagnant and comfortable and I want to push myself a little more. And in June 2020, I decided, you know what? It's go time. Let's try to make our own cuticle oil. If not now, when? That's like my motto with everything. If not now, when? No matter how long it takes, if you want to do something, just do it. What are you waiting for? So I started researching how to actually create my own product. There was a lot of legwork in the beginning. There's still a lot of legwork now. But with the help of a few really key people, I was able to figure it out. So after doing a ton of research, working with a few different manufacturers, and taking properties from all of my favorite cuticle oils on the market, I was able to combine them to make my perfect blend. So the first ingredient is almond oil, which is a safe and natural oil that helps to restore your nail health and treat brittle nails. So it's really important for people who are trying to rehab their nails. The second key ingredient is sunflower seed oil. This is also a natural emollient, which helps to lock in moisture. So if you're gonna apply a product, you really want it to soak in. You want your skin and nails to just drink it up so that it works. Next, we have argan oil, which helps to strengthen and moisturize. It also helps to protect against future damage. And then last but not least, we have vitamin E. And I have to say, vitamin E was the one and only ingredient that I needed in my oil. A lot of the ingredients I listed do have some vitamin E in them, but having the concentrated dose of vitamin E is going to help repair damaged nails and cuticles, promote nail growth, and it's going to prevent any cracking or dryness around the nails or nail bed. So all of these ingredients together work wonders for your nails. This little oil is everything I dreamed of and more. The formula is incredible. My nails have not been the same since I started using it, and I mean that in the best way possible. It really has transformed the health of my nails and my cuticles. I named this company Sweet Almond for a couple of reasons. The key ingredient in this oil is almond oil, and the fact that I just love almond shaped nails. You guys know this. The name just kind of materialized. I love it. It's grown on me so much. At first it was kind of foreign, and the more I said it, the more I used it, the more I designed with it, the more I talked about it, it felt like mine. I think it's really reflective of the product and of me and my personality. And I'm kind of bummed that I have square nails right now because it's not very on brand, but it seemed like such a natural fit. The sweet was eventually added because I wanted a very soft and feminine feel. While this product is available for men to use and purchase, it definitely caters to my ladies. I feel like the majority of you are women, and I don't know, I just always wanted a beautiful, Instagrammable, girly brand. Here it is. Sweet Almond is here. The first day of summer. I am so excited to get this oil into your hands and onto your nails. I feel like that is my slogan. I've been saying that everywhere. It's the truth. I've really put my heart, soul, time, money, just a lot of energy into this product, and to be able to hold it in my hands is honestly the coolest thing in the world. I also have to give a shout out to all of you for always being so supportive, so encouraging, and just having patience with me, because I know I've been teasing this for a while and you've been asking about it, wanting to support me. It really means the world. If I had like no one to sell to, I don't know if I would be so inclined to do this. So at the end of the day, this is just a physical representation of my love for the online mani community. Sweet Almond does have its own Instagram page. You can find it at Shop Sweet Almond. I also have my own Facebook page. You can also find that at Shop Sweet Almond, and my website www.shopsweetalmond.com. But that is it for this video. I cannot wait to share this oil with you. I really can't. I can't wait to hear what you think about it and how you like it. Stay tuned to my channel and that Instagram account and Facebook page. I hope to do a few giveaways in the coming weeks and just really give this oil the love and promotion that it deserves. And then hopefully we'll have some more products in the future. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!